how to play slot spins. If you have been playing the Bingo Blitz game and wondering on how to play the slot spins on it, don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Bingo Blitz game just like this. After opening the app, you will find something like this on your home page. Now to play the slot spins, tap onto three lines right here at the top. Tap on it. Then scroll down and here you can find slots right here. Now select it. Now here you can find the multiple options of the slots. Now to play the spins, tap onto one of these just like this. Now wait for a few seconds. Now you can see it is loading. Wait for it. And now here you can find the slot has opened. Now to spin, simply tap on to spin button right here. Now tap on it. Now you can see it is now spinning. And that's it. This is how you can play the slot spins in the Bingo Blitz game. It is a very easy and fun process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.